spend less for higher quality traffic. Works in any niche or with any product. Improve conversions with higher quality traffic. PLR rights allow you to sell this as your own. Priced extremely low during this launch period. What exactly are Insight Series manuals? Insight Series manuals are the result of extensive research into what our customers want when it comes to high-quality online training. They want to learn a specific topic without a lot of frills or other information. In other words, they want to learn what they want to learn and they want to learn it fast. Insight Series manuals address a single topic and give you what you need to know to get started in one specific area of online business or marketing. Information that will help you get your business up and running or improve your existing business quickly and easily. Our research told us that people do not want to read 250-400-page books in order to learn something. But they also wanted something more than a cheesy 15-page ebook that did not thoroughly cover a topic either. So the Insight Series manuals were born. Manuals designed to give people what they want in the easiest and fastest way possible. Manuals that provide high-quality training without the high-quality price tag. Manuals that help you get the results you want. And after you learn, you can earn. You can also sell Insight Series Traffic Generation Workshop to your customers with the included PLR rights. Think about what it would mean to you to have your own product in this high-demand niche. Think about something for a moment. How would you like to have your own product in a huge niche with a giant pool of prospective customers? How easy will it be for you to be successful in a niche that is known for having a lot of hungry buyers? How many sales could you make selling this high-demand product with an almost universal appeal? Imagine what Traffic Generation Workshop could do for you when added to your business. Your customers will love Insight Series Traffic Generation Workshop because there are no special skills or knowledge required. Helps you get the right people to your pages and offer. Creates a group of highly interested potential buyers. Brings targeted people to your website and offers. Completely legal and ethical. No black hat techniques. No more having to deal with low converting traffic. Create a growing business with high converting traffic. Works in any niche and any product. Get better results without needing more traffic. Higher conversions means higher engagement. Here are several reasons why you should purchase Traffic Generation Workshop PLR Edition today. Benefits for you. Benefits for your business. Learning how to drive traffic is a very important skill. Enables you to generate high-quality traffic. Saves you valuable time and money. Helps you generate better quality traffic to increase sales. Gives you an advantage over other business owners. Great product for you to sell as your own. Sell it or break it up for lead magnets. Over 1 billion searches every year for online marketing. Gives your business instant credibility in your niche. Establishes you as a business with a quality product to sell. Okay. Now for the important question. What can I do with this PLR product? With the Insight Series Traffic Generation Workshop PLR product you can sell it as your own product. Rebrand this book with your name on it and sell it as your own product. Become an instant authority. Break up the content any way you wish. Use it as blog posts, articles, start a membership site, or anything you might imagine. Establish yourself as an expert. Use the information to help establish yourself as an expert and improve your standing in your niche. Build a profitable, huge buyer list. Use the content to create lead magnets, other products, or to grow your list fast. Even more important, what's in it for you? When you purchase Traffic Generation Workshop, you get a great product to sell as your own. Sell this high-quality ebook to everyone else as your own product. Just add your name and start selling. can be part a great high-demand niche. This is a very large niche with a lot of highly motivated buyers eager for this type of product. Sell unlimited copies and keep 100%. Sell this at any price you like and keep 100% of the profits. Sell unlimited copies as well. Use the information in your own business. Use the traffic generation workshop in your own business to create higher converting traffic. Pick up Traffic Generation Workshop today and get these amazing limited time bonuses. Note: Insider Club membership for purchaser only. Inside Series traffic you should stay away from guide. All traffic is not created equal. Find out from our experiences which traffic sources might not be worth your time or effort. Save your time and money with this handy guide. Inside Traffic Quick Start Checklist. Get started fast with our Quick Start Checklist. This checklist will enable you to jump-start your traffic generation even before you start reading the manual. Inside Series Resource Guide. Find out which resources we use in our business, so you can be assured that you get something that will work in your business as well. From page builders to autoresponders to email services, we cover it all. Invitation to our Insiders Club. If you like great insider deals not available to the general public, this is the place for you. Every month we will offer one of our products at a discount of between 60–90%. Only members are eligible and you can join via invitation only. It costs nothing to join and there are no purchase requirements ever. What is included in your Inside Series Traffic Generation Workshop? PLR package, 62-page professionally written 17,200-word ebook, professionally designed graphics, traffic checklist, Inside Series resource guide, invitation to our Insiders Club. Act now and take advantage of our limited time launch special pricing. Use special discount code TRAFFICLAUNCH for additional discount during launch week only. Regular price $67. Special limited time launch pricing only $17. 62-page 17,200-word completely original professionally written ebook. Inside Series resource guide. Inside Series traffic checklist. Invitation to our Insiders Club. 14-day no-hassle guarantee. PLR rights to traffic generation to sell as your own product. Inside Series traffic generation manual. SHHHHHH. Here is the secret reason why this is priced so low. The Inside Series Traffic Generation Workshop is just one of the Inside Series manuals we are creating with you, the online businessmen, in mind. We know if we can just get one of our manuals in your hands you will be blown away by the value of each manual. Once you see the value of an Inside Series manual you are very likely to come back and buy more from us in the future. So this is kind of a selfish reason for the low price and we both benefit from it. That is my little secret. It is all about being honest, upfront and transparent. Money back guarantee. Inside Series manuals are covered by our no-hassle 14-day guarantee. If you don't think our product is everything we said it is, then just ask for a complete refund. We take all the risk out of your purchase. Frequently asked questions. Will this work with my products? The Traffic Generation Workshop will work with any product in any niche. What can I do with the PLR rights? You can sell this product as your own. You may change it and rebrand it as your own. Are there any recurring charges? This is a one-time charge. There will be no recurring charges. Are there any special skills required? Not at all. Anyone who can read and write can implement this method. There are no special skills or knowledge required to use any part of this method. Are there any autos? There is an auto for a set of other Inside Series manuals, but this is totally optional. Is there any guarantee? Absolutely, you are 100% covered under our no-hassle 14-day guarantee. If you are not satisfied, just request a refund. Disclaimer. This page is not affiliated with Facebook or Google or any other social media system. Every effort has been made to keep the claims and product descriptions as accurate as possible. The amount of money, if any, that you can make from this product is strictly dependent upon the effort you put into marketing and promoting this product. We make no guarantees or income claims whatsoever, as it is dependent on many other factors including your personal efforts.